When I taught students as a teacher, I often get those questions about like why do we learn this mathematics? And I learned about mathematical modeling that it connects math with real-world problem solving that they experience in everyday situations.
Math is also in their day-to-day activities. We're showing them that it's also just in playtime. It can be during playtime, it could be during the time that they're the most creative.
The collaboration with the Boys and Girls Club is a huge part of this project, and without the community environment, this project would not exist.
My favorite part of working with this project would be the fact that it is for the younger group. She put together an excellent program for 6, 7, and 8-year-olds, and this program specifically really targets math and science and doing that in a way that is fun and engaging, and it's really for those little, so I really like that.
As time goes, I see that we give them a lot of opportunities to present their ideas, and at the first they were nervous.
Once they started using their hands and drawing and using their own creativity, they were more confident to share what they were thinking and how they see things.
They are learning. They are, doing STEM activities all day long, but they're having a blast doing it.
The first thing that I really want them to get is that they are smart, they are brilliant, and they are very creative.